No guys, today we're going to be showing you a game I just made. Not get kicked from the game. Okay. It's called Intruso del Sombrero. I finally finished it. So what you do is you create your burrito, but guy in the back here trying to kill you. When that power shuts off, turn the power back on, it appears right at our door. I shut the door and we're good. Now we have to get 10 burritos before the game ends, but we need to do this within time. Well, this could totally just be bad RNG. He could just like shut the power off like 8 times and then you die. But that's besides the point. But you could kind of hear him walking around in the back. But shut the door. Here, you only have 220 seconds left. Okay, that's fun. Takes 20 seconds to make each burrito. Then he shuts the power off, and then you can't get anything done. Dude, I misclicked. Get to the door. Shut it. Dude, I thought it opened before you. I thought it opened and you just walked in. But you have 190 seconds left. I have 1 burrito. That's not that good. Just quickly do this. Come on, man. Okay, we got another burrito. No, give me the burrito. No, it's stuck. It's stuck. Burrito. Burrito. This game could go up to 2 players, so yeah, that's what you do. You create 10 burritos, you go there, does that, and if you get caught by him, it kicks you. But actually, let me test something. You can also walk down here and just start pushing him. I will fix that, but right now. Let me test something. If I push him. Okay, yeah. Just probably don't push him to where you can get kicked. But I'll Intruso to Sombrero. You game.